Okay, so I'll show you how to make a magic ring or a magic circle. To start with, you're going to hold the end of your yarn with your little finger and thumb, and then you're going to wrap the yarn around your first three fingers, cross over, turn your hand, hold the long end with your little finger and thumb. Now insert the hook through the first yarn that you see, insert it and pull the second row, the second yarn you see, you pull it, and once you've pulled it out, twist it once. Once you've twisted it, make sure that the yarn is comfortably loose. Don't pull it tight, it has to be loose. Then you're going to insert the hook again to the long yarn that is there. Put it through and work your yarn through the first loop. You work it through the loop. Yeah, so that's a magic ring. I'll show it you once more. So hold the end with your little finger and thumb and take it around your first three fingers and then cross over once, turn, and then hold the long end also with your little finger and thumb. Insert the hook through the first row, pull the second row that's there, pull the yarn. Once you've pulled it, twist it once. After you twist it, make sure it's loose, and then you're gonna put the hook through the yarn again and pull it through the loop. Yeah, so that's your magic ring. I'll also show you how to work inside the magic ring a little. So I'll do 6 double crochets into the ring now. Okay, so once you do how many ever stitches you want or chains, you're going to pull the short tail, pull it tight, and you close your ring. Pull it nice and tight so that closes your ring.